Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still think that there's a very good likelihood this will end up continuing up, most likely to make a wave C or possibly a wave 3 because I see 3 waves up, I see 3 waves down. Usually that leads to a 3-way pattern up, which would end up being like a WXY pattern, and an ABC, ABC, ABC pattern. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see an A, we see a move down that looks like a complete wave B. Now, looking at price action on the sort of time frames, there's definitely a possibility it goes down one more time before it actually does end up continuing up. But I have been seeing the possibility that the wave B is already over and that it will eventually just gain some strength and end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily is where I do see the possibility that we already have a complete 3-way pattern down for an A, B, C, or B. Now if this was the end of a wave B, you would think that it would start trending up a lot harder than it is, which it has not done so yet. So I'm definitely looking at this move down as possibly being another correction, and once that correction is over, it should end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we have impulsive down. I was originally thinking this might even end up continuing the uptrend, but then it made very corrective overlapping price action. That makes me think that it probably is going to go down more before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have a very impulsive move down, which I was thinking was an ABC correction. If that was the end of an ABC correction, then it probably would already be continuing up. But instead, we've been making very corrective, very overlapping pattern pretty much all week long, which tells me that this is actually probably more likely to go down before it actually does end up continuing back up. So we're definitely, when you see price action like this, you can definitely say that that is almost a correction, almost certainly a correction to the last impulsive move down, which the last impulsive move down is back here. So impulsive, corrective, should lead to impulsive again. So before we make a bigger move to the upside, I do think that we probably will get another impulsive move down, and then we'll probably get a continuation of the uptrend once that is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is in the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.